Hi! In this video, I will show you how to use mask in Photopea. We have our blank template here. Let's try to add a letter. And then, add an image. So we have here three layers: the background, the letter, and our image. Make sure that the image comes before the letter. So the arrangement is, first layer is the letter, second layer is the image, and our background. Let's use mask here so that this image will reflect on the letter itself. Select the pen tool and then trace the letter using the pen tool. After that, click on Layer, go to Vector Mask, and click Current Path. And then click this. So you can see here the image mask on the letter itself. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!